Found a, well, I assumed it was going to be an awesome deal from the Goodwill, 50% off sale, $3.99. Wasn't working, and absolutely gross batteries. Of course, I forgot to, actually, I almost put this all back together and didn't make a video, decided to make a video. Those were just crusted nasty. Let me pause and see if I can, the batteries might be in the trash still. Oh yeah, cool. So they're still in the trash. You can see on the one end that they were just encrusted. I had to pick them off, and luckily TI Texas Instruments made high quality contacts. Literally had to pry out the batteries they were so encrusted in, and then take and pick off, go back and forth, and finally the batteries came out. T6 screws to disassemble the back cover, and then one small Phillips to get that screw out there. And I removed the back cover, and all these little spring connections came out, except one was struggling, so I just left it in. Washed them with soap and water. Deoxit the pads. There's two contact pads that these outer, no, these inner. Yeah, I think those contact on. No, it's outer. Yeah, the outer. And I deoxied the red deoxit, the surface after wiping down the IPA, try to clean the electrolyte off. And then I used a little bit of the Cal lube. What is that? Deoxic lube. It's a conductive copper grease. Greased everything back up. Just anything metal that was exposed to electrolyte, just to help seal it up a little more, help me prevent future oxidation, corrosion. Reassembled, making sure everything is dried. Used a little canned air to spray everything off. And yeah, now I'm just going to disassemble, test it, and cleared the RAM, but hey, it works, so that's amazing fine. So a little effort and a little bit of tools, and there you go. TI-83 Plus back in service.